Afternoon everyone, hope everyone's alright. Gonna make a cup of tea with some Yorkshire Gold. Someone requested that I should make it with a cup and saucer, so there's your tea bag. There's some sugar. There's some boiling water that's just boiled. Should have got the milk out really, shouldn't I first? Never mind. Supposed to steep it for 4 to 5 minutes, but I've tried that. And that didn't really work for me. I found this is probably the best way. Look at that. Bit of colour, flavour, all the things you're not supposed to do with a tea bag. But this saucer really sums me up. There you go, grumpy old man. Grumpy old man saucer and a grumpy old man cup. So yeah, if you like it, like it. If you don't like it. If you want to subscribe to me, carry on. There's plenty there to watch, and there'll be plenty more to watch. So, enjoy the rest of the day, people. Bye bye.